Hi, I wanted to share with you a tip on how to watch a video in any language, like a crochet video. Click on CC closed captioning. Then click on the circle next to it, which is settings. If the video is done in English, then you'll already have English, and then you'll see that closed captioning will show up when the person, this is my video, starts speaking. So as you can see, it's starting to pop up in English. But if you go over here and you want to read it in a different language, perhaps your own language, if you're not someone that speaks English, you can go to your language, like perhaps Dutch, and then it's going to show the closed captioning of Dutch. So that's how you can watch a video in a different language. Now, say if you're searching crochet videos, but you stumble upon a Spanish video, Japanese video, then when you click on this, you're going to see that it's probably auto-generated as Spanish. But if you click on it, you can go to auto translate, and then you can go to English, and you can pick your language or whatever language you speak. And make sure that the CC is underlined, because that's where you'll get your closed captioning. Also, the I right here shows you their the person that made the video, their latest videos. And then also, if you go back to settings, you can watch playback speed. You can watch things in slow motion if you go 0.75, 0.5, and if the video is too fast. Like I like to tell a lot of people when I get a comment of a video being too fast, I like to say, well, you need to put your video in slow motion. And some people are aware of how to do that, and then of course, some people are unsure. So if you watch this video, that will help you. See, if you watch it, you're going to see it in a slower speed. Now you can always make your video go faster if you go above normal right here, if the video is too slow. Now another thing is too, if you have a phone, which I have an iPhone, I'm not sure if this is for every phone, but on my iPhone, on the upper right hand corner, there's 3 little dots, and when I click on it, my settings pop right up, and then the CC, the closed captioning, shows up. I click on that, and it usually, not always, but it will show up as English closed captioning if the video is allowing it. Some videos don't allow it. Also, the playback speed on my phone allows me to make the video go slow motion when I hit the 3 little dots on top in the right hand corner on my phone. So that's another method if you're on your phone versus being on the computer. All right, I just wanted to share that information with you. Hope that helps you, because I know I have some people that are not English speaking viewers, and that may help you if you can understand what I'm saying right now. Also, if you want to watch a video that's not in your language and you want to make it watch it to where you can understand it in your language, that is how you do it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.